What's going on YouTube? This is just a quick little video real quick before I gotta head out. I was gonna go for my birthday, was the 1st of April. I was gonna go and pick up this pit bike to ride around with my kids and 1589, but I got a nail Friday in my tire on my big F-150, my real truck, and couldn't get my tire off, so I was trying to get my tire off, so I ended up getting some Fix-A-Flat in there, called them up at a discount tire, let them know, because I really and truly hate changing tires with the foam stuff in there. So went up there, I gotta go buy the new BF gut wrenches KO2s, because they don't make the KO1s anymore. But I'm on RC Mart, just looking up some Orlando Hunter parts, and I think I need these links off of the Mitsubishi, because my Bronco build that I'm doing, yeah, we're gonna need these short links right here, because my Bronco build here put a little bit of a clear coat on the paint. We were messing around, all this stuff. Let's just slide the body and stuff over here. Well, right now we have the F-150's drive shaft 2-to-2. And then for the front axles, I'm trying to get it to match up into the wheel well. I ended up using the Orlando Hunter OH32 A02, the Mitsubishi's drive shaft. But what I did was I had to change out the head of the drive shaft because it was 2-to-2, so I had to change it out to a 3mm for the axle, because you know that's the OH32 or OH35 P01 axle. So, and that's got the brass gear in there, and that's 3mm. So right now, and because I also, yeah, this camera works better than my GoPro. I also broke off a ball stud, and I'm sorry that this camera is going to be one of those small videos because I'm not holding my camera right. I'm supposed to be holding it like this, landscape mode. But I broke off a ball stud, so where I got these screws is where I'm going to put ball studs. And I ordered some more ball studs from Banggood. Those should be coming next month, you know, the slow boat. So I'm gonna go on RC Mart today. Today's the 3rd. I'm gonna order the links. I'm gonna order some more rims. I was thinking about using these white rims on the Bronco, but I think I'm gonna use them for something else, because I think I'm gonna go all metal, and I'm gonna order probably some more of these clock mass wheels that we put on the Jeep, and then I'm gonna order some more of the extra speed 30mm soft crawler tires, because I just like how soft those are. But alright, I gotta get ready to go to discount tire. This has just been a quick video. Let's call this we'll call it episode 34. I won't call it a vlog. So this has been Micro Scale Garage episode 34. Like, share, subscribe. Peace and love, you guys. Hopefully we'll get this Bronco going soon. Check you guys later.